Today we're cracking into a topic you might not expect, eggshells. Stick around to discover why you should start saving them and how they can make your life easier and more sustainable. Let's get started. Introduction: eggshells. Eggshells are more than just a compost material. They're packed with calcium carbonate, a mineral that's great for both plants and DIY crafts. Plus, they're biodegradable and totally natural. Today, I'll show you some surprising ways to put these shells to work. 1. In the garden. First up, the garden. Eggshells make excellent natural fertilizer. Their calcium content strengthens the structures of plants, especially tomatoes, which can suffer from calcium deficiency. Just crush the shells and sprinkle them around your plants or mix them into the soil. You can also use half eggshells as tiny pots for starting seeds. They're the perfect biodegradable container. Fill them with soil, drop in your seeds, and place them in an egg carton for stability. Once your seedlings are ready, you can plant them, shell and all, directly into the garden. 2. In the home. Moving indoors, eggshells can be a non-toxic abrasive. Grind them into a fine powder and mix with a little soapy water to create a natural scrub for tough-to-clean pots and pans. It's effective and eco-friendly. And if you have a coffee lover in the house, add crushed eggshells to your coffee grounds. They help reduce bitterness by neutralizing excess acidity. Plus, they aid in cleaner disposal of grounds by keeping them from clumping. 3. DIY crafts and more. For the crafty ones among you, eggshells can be transformed into stunning mosaics. Dye them different colors, crush them gently, and use the pieces to create beautiful patterns on a photo frame or a decorative vase. The natural texture of eggshell pieces adds a unique touch to any artwork. And here's a health hack. Make your own calcium supplement. Bake cleaned eggshells at a low temperature to sterilize them. Grind them into a fine powder, and there you have it. A homemade supplement you can add to smoothies or juices. Pest control. Back in the garden, eggshells also double as pest deterrents. Scatter crushed shells around your plants to keep slugs and snails at bay. These sharp edges discourage these critters from munching on your plants. So there you have it. Eggshells are far more valuable than most of us realize. From gardening to home care, there's a multitude of ways to reuse these versatile shells. Try these tips out and let us know how they work for you. If you found these insights helpful, don't hesitate to like, share, and spread the word. Your support fuels our passion for uncovering the secrets behind sustainable living and cost-effective tools and methods to save you time and money. Subscribe to discover empowering and cost-effective home and health wisdom that keeps you one step ahead and the envy of your friends and neighbors. Turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest content. And as always, please be well, be wise, and take care.